Hey guys, I was at Costco the other day and I picked up this really large 14-inch jumbo skillet. It's a GraniteStone Diamond Pro jumbo non-stick skillet, which is pretty awesome. The best thing is that it actually works in multiple surfaces, which is really, really cool. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing as well as a quick test of this thing and see the good pros and cons of this guy. So opening it up, it looks like basically it has a little sticker, and the sticker has the very simple instructions. Of course, this has a silicone handle, and also it's pretty lightweight in terms of it. It is hard anodized and it's designed to be used with or without oil, but I'm definitely going to use oil and butter because, you know, it tastes better with some butter. Anyways, so this surface does have a little bit of dirt and stuff, or maybe some manufacturing dust, so I'm definitely going to wash it first. Overall, it's a pretty nice weight. It has silicone on the edges, and also the bottom looks really cool too. But it also works on my induction range as well as my gas range, which is perfect. So let's go ahead and get this thing washed. Overall, it's pretty lightweight. I'm using a silicone wash scrub pad because you're not supposed to use like a scouring pad or anything on this thing. And in fact, when you clean this thing, you're supposed to soak stuff and whatever. But overall, the surface is supposed to be super non-stick and it should last for a long time. But like I said, I've went through several other non-stick pans, and I just want to get something that's a little bit more sturdy, reliable, that sort of fun stuff. So I have it on my induction stove. This is my little portable one. I had set to 5 and it wasn't really doing much of anything, so I set it to 10, which is like the max power of this thing, so I could quickly get this water to boil. So I'm testing the water first just to make sure, just to figure out how long it takes to start sizzling. So it went pretty quick, but the heat is only in the center part of it. So I'm basically splashing the water around. The sides really aren't part of that heat element. So as you can see, it works pretty quick. On the level 10, it actually starts sizzling with less than like 30 seconds or so. The interesting thing is that it's actually taller on the center and then a lot less on the side. So I guess if you want to put butter on the side, I think you have to mix it around if you were like, let's say, sear a steak and stuff like that. So it's pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, it's pretty cool. Yeah, this is pretty neat, and I think that if it was a lot more flatter, I think it would be a little better because now the liquid just goes to the side. Anyways, it's Sterling W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.